Alright guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the IRangeX IRX-IR8M. Let's get to it. Of course, I've already opened this box up and put batteries in it. Comes with pretty nice packaging. Well, that wasn't supposed to move, but it goes right there. Comes with pretty nice packaging, nice foam, so you can reuse this box to keep it in when you're not using it. There it is. Pretty decent. One thing I do not like about it is that it does not have external antennas. There's not even a place for them. Your fine tuners are here. It does have I believe it's 16 channels. You got a triple switch here, double, an intermediate switch. Where's the intermediate switch at? Oh, I guess it doesn't have an intermediate switch, but you have lots and lots of auxiliaries. The gimbals, they feel a little flimsy to me here on this side. Just a little bit flimsy, but supposedly they fixed the problems that they had in before. Now this gimbal feels a lot better. I like the way this one feels. This one's just a little teeny tiny bit sloppy right there. Not a lot, but yeah, this is a pretty affordable transmitter here. Let's power it up. Comes with deviation. If you see that, comes preloaded deviation. The sticks. It doesn't show. Let's see. Let's go over here and see if we can go to the channel monitor and see if there's any slop at all here. If you can see there on channel 4, it just feels sloppy. There is no slop whatsoever. It just feels a little sloppy. Turn that light back on so you guys can see. Okay, we're gonna test the throttle. Negative 100, 100%. No slop whatsoever in the throttle. All right. Let's hit our yaw. Yaw's working right. Everything seems to be working right. See channel 1. Channel 1. It's working right. Everything's working right there. Let's see. You can do range test. I mean, this is basically all the deviation menus in here. Transmitter configuration. You can change the language, the mode, calibrate the sticks, change the volume of the buzzer. Not sure if you guys can hear that or not. Change the audio volume. You got vibration, you got power alarm. You got battery alarm. Power down alert. I'm going to turn it on. You can backlight, you can make it brighter. There we go, a lot brighter on the backlight. Turned it up some. There, contrast control, dimmer time. Quite a few settings in there, guys. It's got telemetry, got a range test. It comes preloaded with a few models. Got a Sima blade, and I'm not sure what Model 3 is, but we can go in there and look. Looks like it's a heli. Yeah, Model 3 is for a helicopter. Let's go on back up here to load. You can change the TX power from 150 megawatts to down to 1 up to, actually you can go down even further, the 1 megawatt up to 150 megawatts. It's got ppm. And that's that. Let's go ahead and go back. You got mixers. So I mean, you guys know how to use one of these, you're pretty sure how to use all this stuff. And then trims, data. That's one that voice config. Let's see what that one is. External voice can not available. No biggie. That's probably because this one doesn't have a speaker on it like the jumper does. So there's that. We got her set up for a helicopter. Everything looks good. Here's all your switches. Let's see. They're not by channels though. See, like usually it'd be aux 1, aux 2, aux 3, aux 4, etc., etc. These are not named whatsoever. These are not named, but these go from switch A to switch B to switch C to switch D. This is a triple switch. This is a triple switch. This one is a triple, and this one is a triple. These are only doubles. And I'm not sure what these switches are, but I'm pretty sure you can assign them to something. Major problem that I don't like with it. It did not come with instructions whatsoever. Not one bit of instructions. It did come with your USB cord, so you can use this for a simulator or whatsoever. And it also came with a receiver. This kind of looks like I'm not sure what receiver this is, but it looks like it almost looks like FR Sky receiver is what it looks like. Came with the power cord. It also came with a JST to a 2S adapter, so you can plug in a JST compatible battery to the 2S connector here and plug it in and use a battery, because I will show you here. That is removable, and you can actually put other batteries in it. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I'm not super familiar with the setup, the internal setups to do your own models in here. But all that information is on Deviation's website. You should be able to find that stuff real easy. This thing was only about 80 bucks. Got it from Banggood. And all in all, I like it. You know, I hooked it up to the Simon, flew it around a little bit. Didn't have a problem. I'll try a video later, and I'll have a video up for you guys to see it in action. Have a good one. Later.